Hello, my name is Blair, your science teacher. Today in Science in School, we will teach you how to install Linux Pop OS. Let me tell you some information before anything else. This operating system is free and no rampant virus, no hacking known yet as of this moment, and this is mostly used by IT experts in the Philippines and around the world. And also this is based in Ubuntu Linux operating system, which is also mostly commonly used by IT experts around the world. And when you travel, some of the airports are strict in laptop operating system, especially in licensed OS or operating system. The best alternative is to use free open source operating system software like Linux. Download and install is easy. In addition to this, applications are easy and free to use like OnlyOffice and LibreOffice instead of Microsoft Office. Instead of Adobe Photoshop, Linux users use Photopea or GIMP, or instead of Adobe Premiere, Linux users use Canon Live, PTV, DaVinci Resolve, OpenShots, and just to name a few. Anyways, let's start how to install. We only need a 8 or 16 gigabyte flash drive, or popularly known as USB. And take note, we're gonna delete everything in the USB or flash drive, so make sure to copy your files. We also need to download Linux Pop OS by System76, the company that owns and develops Pop OS. Just search the web. You can do this in any existing Linux or Windows computers. We also need to download Balena Etcher. For Linux, use App Image File. For Windows user, select Installer x64-bit for old computers. Or for modern computers, download the Windows installer x84. This is also available for Apple Mac computers too. After downloading, open the Balena Etcher and select the image for the Pop OS ISO file in the folder location and insert your USB drive in the computer and click flash. Wait until it's completed. Now, go to your desired old computer or laptop to be installed. Insert your USB. Make sure you press F2 during the startup after pressing the power on button. Go to BIOS. Proceed to Boot Options and select USB Boot as first and save it before you exit. And your computer or laptop will proceed to your USB and boot from there. When it's open, select English or your preferred language. Select your keyboard layout. I preferred English. Or at your end, select your own language. If you want to try, select Try Demo Mode and explore the Linux Pop OS. But for now, let's have clear installation. This will erase everything in your computer and install a fresh copy of Linux Pop OS. And then you select your drive to be installed and click Erase and Install in the bottom right corner. Then create user account. Then click Next. Choose account password. Don't lose your password, okay? Retype your user password and click Next. Then you have the option to encrypt your drive. For me, it's just okay to don't encrypt drive. Now the installation is doing its thing, and wait until it's finished installing and reboot or restart your device. Don't forget to remove your USB. When it restarts, it will ask you your password. This mode will ensure your computer to have safe as you are the user of that computer. In the first time to boot your OS, it has a welcome screen to select your desired settings. Don't forget to select your time zone for your clock. All done. Welcome to the Linux world, Pop OS. Before anything else, make sure to update your Pop OS to ensure your computer from no hackers, and update new apps in the Pop shop and enjoy your Linux Pop OS. I'm Blair, your science teacher. Catch another episode of Science in School next time as we ponder and continue to search for knowledge. And remember that science means knowing, because science is cool. Ciao!